Living low class with just white trash. You got broke glasses, they got green grass across them train tracks. Across them train tracks. We try so hard and we do so bad. We could go so far, but we can't look past them goddamn train tracks. I hate those train tracks. I remember rocking tall tees and baggy jeans. Remember staying up late and just bagging weed. And at a younger age, I was unafraid. Remember mom and me kicking it on a summer day. Sometimes the world's so cold, I wanna run away. I know this world gets crueler than the Hunger Games. Crashed on couches and slept on floors. And I always had a crush on the girl next door. But to tell y'all the truth, I never tried to holler though. Hid my lack of self-confidence behind a lot of jokes. Thought I'd never make it out my situation. I was bound by so many stipulations. Living low class with just white trash. We got broke glasses, they got green grass across them train tracks. Across them train tracks. We try so hard and we do so bad. We could go so far, but we can't look past them goddamn train tracks. I hate those train tracks. Life got hard, but we just came harder. Spent some time in the gutter like the rainwater. A lost soul, I was born to ramble. Woke up one day, my life was in shambles. Ain't afraid to gamble, put it all on the line. This neighborhood ain't shit, but I'm calling it mine. Rent man calling, tripping on the rent. Got a baby on the way with a chick that I ain't with. And my mama needs some pain pills, she said she's feeling pain. I gotta hustle y'all, I don't know no other way. On these train tracks, staring at the other side. I'll make it over there one day, that's on my mother's life. Living low class with just white trash. We got broke glasses, they got green grass across them train tracks. Across them train tracks. We try so hard and we do so bad. We could go so far, but we can't look past them goddamn train tracks. I hate those train tracks.
Between a rock and a hard place, I'm bound with a court case. The bills at the house way past due. Ankle bracelet with a curfew, water cut off. Daughter need to use the bathroom, what can I do? Goddamn, the lawyer want 10 racks. Whistle blowing and I'm standing on the train tracks. All on the line, just a matter of time before the chickens come home and the eggs hatch. Got them all in one basket underneath the bed, with a banger and a ski mask, cause I'm ready. Grass look greener over there, so I pull in his yard and park the Chevy. I'm here now.
So hard, so bad, so far, I look past the train tracks. I hate those train tracks. So hard, so bad, so far, I look past the train tracks. Ooh.
Living low class with just white trash. We got broke glasses, they got green grass across them train tracks. Across them train tracks. We try so hard and we do so bad. We could go so far, but we can't look past them goddamn train tracks. I hate those train tracks.